9 Bizarre Home Remedies That Really Work, Part 1. Home remedies, some of them actually do have science on their side and in fact perform even better than their traditional medical counterparts. Prepare to look at things in a complete new light. Cure cuticle infections with vinegar. The natural antibacterial properties of vinegar can eliminate infections caused by an overzealous manicurist or picking at cuticles. Apply white wine vinegar combined with warm water for 15 minutes a day. Eliminate dandruff with a DIY aspirin shampoo. Aspirin is basically salicylic acid, the anti-acne ingredient that sloughs off dead skin. It does the same thing for your scalp, gets rid of flakes, says Mary Jin, MD, a board-certified dermatologist based in San Francisco. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed aspirin to your regular shampoo, suds up, and leave the souped-up shampoo in for 5 to 10 minutes. Tip: use a mortar and pestle to finely crush the aspirin. Ease nausea with ginger. Ginger accelerates stomach emptying and helps break up and release intestinal gas, says Stephen Hanover, MD, a professor of gastroenterology and hepatology at Northwestern University Feinberg School of Medicine. Sip on ginger ale or ginger tea, or slowly eat a few candies made with real ginger. Beat a migraine with sex. But don't just go through the motions. 43% of those who found relief in the sheets said their symptoms improved only after orgasm, according to a study published in Cephalalgia. The researchers speculate that endorphins may cause pain to subside. Eliminate warts with duct tape. Docs theorize that the combination of the airtight environment and something in the adhesive is toxic to warts but harmless to you, says Patrick Dehere, MD, a podiatrist and board-certified foot surgeon based in Indianapolis. In fact, 85% of warts were eliminated with the tape compared to just 60% who had them frozen off, according to research published in the Archives of Pediatrics and Adolescent Medicine. Replace the tape every 6 days for 2 months or until the wart disappears. Bypass motion sickness with lemon. Motion sickness is often accompanied by excess salivating. Tannins, bitter astringent plant compounds found in lemons, olives too, dry out the mouth, eliminating saliva and in turn easing "oh God, not here" nausea, says Hanover. Heal cracked heels with crazy glue. No amount of cream or moisturizer will bring that crack back together, says Jin. Crazy glue is a great little trick to fix it. Soak your feet in water for a few minutes, then apply moisturizer and dab the glue on any remaining cracks. Just 1 application should do the trick. The challenge will be to avoid getting it on your hands. Get rid of corns with licorice. Coating the affected area with a mixture of licorice and oil, then covering it with plastic wrap and a sock while you sleep gives the estrogen-like substances in licorice time to work their softening magic, says Dehere. If you enjoyed watching our video, do share it and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.